Okay, so I got one right here for you guys. Look at this. Okay, so this Mercedes E500 says it's in reverse, but we see that it's in park. Okay, so I'll go right here and then see this connector right here. I'm gonna wiggle it. Okay, I'm gonna wiggle this connector right here, and it's gonna go back in park. See? Okay, so this is causing transmission problems, starting problems, and everything. So there's no neutral safe. This is the neutral safety. This whole thing. So we're gonna replace that and see what happens from there. But I'm almost sure saying it's already in reverse. It's not even in reverse.